Which of the following roots that can be used to prepare quinol? So let us take the first root. The given one is cumene. Cumene, when it is subjected to oxidation with oxygen, we can get cumene hydroperoxide. This is cumene hydroperoxide. Then it is subjected to hydrolysis in the presence of dilute sulfuric acid. We can get phenol. After getting phenol, it is subjected to sulfonation with concentrated sulfuric acid. So SO3H group is introduced at ortho position as well as at para position. Let us take para. So para-hydroxybenzene sulfonic acid. After the formation of this, it is heated with sodium hydroxide. Fusion with sodium hydroxide, OH will undergo neutralization and SO3 also undergo reaction with NaOH, forming disodium salt. After the formation of this salt, it is subjected to acidification. So now we can get quinol. So this route is correct for the preparation of quinol. Let us take B, route B. Up to this already we did. The product obtained is nothing but phenol. So after the formation of phenol, just they mentioned potassium permanganate. There is no oxidation of phenol with potassium permanganate. So route B is wrong. Coming to the third route, benzene 1,4 dinitrobenzene. When it is subjected to reduction with acid medium tin HCl, NO2 is reduced to NH2. So diamine, benzene 1,4 diamine is the product after the reduction with SnCl, Sn plus HCl. Then this is subjected to diazotization at two places with NaNO2 and HCl. Two NH2 groups get converted into diazonium salts. After the formation of diazonium salt, this we know steam. On heating with steam, N2 plus is substituted with OH of the steam. So since two groups are there, at two places two OH groups are attached. Then N2 gas 2 moles released. So by this way also we got our desired compound quinol. Let us try D option. With LiAlH4, ester will be reduced to alcohol. Ether bond remains constant, unaffected. So ester will be reduced to phenol. Other product is CH3, CH2OH. Then OCH3 remains present at para position. So after the formation of para-hydroxyanisole, it is subjected to reaction with strong acid hydrogen iodide, but clearly they mentioned 1 mole only. So during this reaction what happens? Ether bond, cleavage of the ether bond takes place. O takes hydrogen, CH3 takes iodine. So the byproduct in this case is CH3I. If excess of hydrogen iodide is mentioned, what happens? OH also will be converted into iodine. So benzene 1,4 diiodide we can get. 1,4 diiodobenzene we may get if excess of hydrogen iodide is mentioned, but clearly they mentioned 1 mole only. That's why we can get quinol only. So route D also can give quinol. So A, C, D correct options.